Good morning all of you. We have discussed what are the relationship between different components, biotic and abiotic components of environment in your previous slide. Okay. So now we are studying about what are the types of environment. Okay. So there are two types of environment. One is your natural environment and another one is your man-made environment. Okay. So natural environment means what? Natural environments all living and non-living things which occurring naturally, okay, meaning not because of human, okay. So here see here the lake, here the flowers and mountain, your earth, all are natural. The man are not responsible to make these things, okay. So these are your naturally processed and these are the natural environment, okay. The universe, okay. So the universe is a natural, but often the term natural environment only means the natural of earth, okay. For example, tree plantation is a way of giving back to nature, okay. What you have to suck from it? So anyway, and everyone can contribute to this effort to enhance or to create natural environment, okay. So next, your man-made environment. Here the pictures you can see the man-made environment means man-made environment is referred to as the surrounding made by humans to provide facilities for satisfying human needs. Okay. So these surroundings are made to have place for people to do job or living or even educate all peoples and also recreating requirements for the concerned people day-to-day needs, okay. So here you can see in the picture that there are the buildings, here the bridge, there are the educational institute or industries. There are so many things that made by the man for fulfill or satisfy the human needs, okay. So this is called as your man-made things or man-made environment, okay, which can fulfill the human needs. So this is all about your natural environment and man-made environment. You can easily distinguish between that. Natural environments, it is naturally created. Man-made environment means the environment is made by the man for fulfill their satisfaction and their needs, okay. So next is your, what are the layers of your planet? Okay. So there are the atmosphere or the earth is contained or is consist of with 4 layers. One is your lithosphere, your atmosphere, your hydrosphere and biosphere. Okay. So this is the layer of planet and 4 layers is here: biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, okay. So first we go to discuss about lithosphere, okay. So the uppermost part of the earth crust is known as your lithosphere, okay. Lithosphere means what? Your soil or earth, okay. So how? So soil is how the human being is get the benefits from the lithosphere or earth. Agricultural activities, okay, constructing buildings, get minerals from the earth surface. So in this way, human can get the facilities from the lithosphere, okay. So next one is your atmosphere. So atmosphere means all of you know that air, okay. So the region surrounding the earth is known as your atmosphere, okay. So the atmosphere is generally the mixture of gases, okay, surrounding the earth. So how human can benefit to the atmosphere? From the atmosphere, human can breathe, human can get the sunlight from the atmosphere, okay. Then the next one is your biosphere, okay. So biosphere means what? Now the life supporting mantles of the earth extending from few kilometers into the atmosphere to the deep ocean is your biosphere layer, okay. and the region of the earth where life exists is known as your biosphere. Okay, so where your life exists, that region is called your biosphere. Okay, so next one is your last one is your hydrosphere. Hydro means what? You know, water. Okay, so all the water bodies on the earth's surface are included in it. Okay, and it includes ocean. Okay, hydrosphere means water, means your ocean, river, okay, lake, ponds, which is provide for the water for drinking purposes, for cleaning purposes, for washing purposes, and for cultivation, for agriculture purposes. So in this way, the human being can get the benefit, or human beings get the benefit from the hydrosphere layer. Okay, so these are the 4 layers of the earth which combine with each other, and when it will be combined, it creates the total earth, and these are when combined, the human beings get the benefit from these layers of the planet. Okay, so next one is your man and environment relationship. Okay, so you know human beings and environment. So in between man and environment, what are the relationships? So human being depends upon the environment. Okay, the two words man and environment are not the new to the human. Okay, human history, and the interrelation between them is well established. Okay, so how can we know that? What are the relationships? So man is the only living organism, okay, which is capable of modifying environment according to the need. Okay, and man has started hunting animals and cutting trees for his basic needs, and to increase his comfort, he started distributing each and every components of environment. This is a picture which shows that man and environment relationship. Okay, soil erosion, water pollution, environment disasters, then water pollution, air pollution, waste, garbage. In this way, the man which affect the environment. Okay, so man only responsible for affecting the environment or to creating the environment problems. Okay, and man is a living organism who can capable for modifying the environmental conditions. Okay, so this is all about your relationship between man and environment. Okay, so next one is your what are the objectives of environmental study? So the main objective of environmental study are to develop a world in which persons are aware of and concerned about environment and the problems associated with it. Okay, so the main objective of environments are developing an attitude of concern for the environment, motivating public to participate in environmental protection and environment improvement, and imparting basic knowledge about the environment and its problem. Okay, so how can we aware? Okay, what are the awareness? To help individual and social groups to aware about our environment and its apparent problems. Okay, next one is your knowledge. What are the knowledge is required? Acquiring basic understanding and experience about our environment and associated problems and their responsible role towards the betterment of environment. Okay, and what are the attitude? It helps to know social values, okay, and strong feelings of concern for the environment and active participation in its improvement and protection and improvement. So these are the awareness, knowledge and attitude which helps to create the healthy environment. Okay, so next one is your skill. How skill helps? It helps individual and social groups to acquire to identifying and solving environmental problems. Okay, The next one is your participation. Participation is to develop a sense of responsibility and urgency regarding environment problems to ensure appropriate action to solve those problems. Okay, in this way participation will be helped. And the next one is your evaluation ability. To evaluate environmental measures and education program in terms of ecological and political, economical, social and education factors, it will be evaluate your ability. So these are the objectives of environmental study. Okay. So we are studying about the next content of your chapter 2 in the next PPT. Thank you.